Let's finish our discussion about internet marketing with the tools necessary to be a successful internet marketer. Now, online marketing requires a number of different tools and skill sets. We talked a little bit about database and email marketing previously. Let's talk a little bit about website marketing, merchant marketing, internet marketing, and then of course we have already talked about mobile marketing. All right, with website marketing, the first piece, of course, is website design. You need to have an easy to navigate, positive, visually appealing website. Just go up and compare eBay to Amazon. It used to be that those two websites were dramatically different. Today they look extremely alike, and of course the reason is that eBay has decided to try to make their website look more like that of Amazon's. There are two ideas behind website marketing. One is SEO, called organic search engine marketing, where I use a number of different tricks and tools to try to make sure that my brand or my website comes to the top of the list when websites are searched. The second aspect of this is SEM. This is search engine marketing. This is the paid search. You notice that when you do a search, that the first 3 or 4 or 5 items on that search page have a little mark that they're ads. Those are ads because someone has paid Google to place their ads first when the term that you searched comes up. And of course, that's called paid search. There's also e-commerce. There are two kinds of e-commerce companies. One are online retailers. This is when you sell your own goods online, like Macy's.com and currently Target.com, although there are some variations in that. Online merchants is when you sell someone else's products online. The two that are most obvious to us are Amazon and eBay, also someone like Etsy. But now even Walmart.com doesn't just sell Walmart's products, they sell a wide range of products online, much like Jet or someone else does. Here's the difference between social media marketing versus social media advertising. We're interested in this left-hand column now, that is interactive marketing using social media. So we'd be interested in things like banner ads, behavioral targeting ads, design and publishing product videos, YouTube advertisements, Twitter ads, retweet bots, all those sorts of things, Snapchat ads and Discover ads, Instagram ads. All right, so for online advertising, one of the things that we want to be thinking about is where would we online advertise? Some of the places that we might put online advertisements, for instance, for millennials, might be on YouTube, Hulu, Spotify, and Pandora. These are places where many millennials spend lots of time. When we target millennials online, there are two basic approaches. One's the Google approach and one's the Facebook approach. Google-based behavioral targeting is based on search or click-through behaviors. So I behaviorally target people who have done something. For instance, if you've already visited our website once, I might behaviorally target you. Or if you visited my competitors' websites, I might target you with an ad. Facebook looks like are a little bit different. What Facebook does is you tell Facebook what your customers look like. Facebook goes up and finds other people on Facebook that look just like your customers. That is, they're lookalikes. And this is based on a set of common characteristics. Could be demographic characteristics, could be preference characteristics, or it could be behavioral characteristics. Another thing that online marketers might do is create incentive programs. There's a first-time incentive program where when the first time you go to a website, we give you a first-time incentive to try our program. Typically, you have to sign up, and as an incentive to get you to do so and try our particular e-commerce website, we give you some sort of incentive. There might be a refer a friend program where we give you a credit of some sort if you refer a friend. And then, of course, there's rewards programs, which are traditional programs that you see in regular stores, but done then online. Here's a little bit here's the sort of analytics that website companies would be looking at. They include, for instance, total number of visits, percentage of U.S. visits, average U.S. visits, average global visits. But then there's other things that website marketers are interested in. Average visit time. Of course, the longer the visit time, the more likely you'll make a purchase. The total number of pages that you visit. The more pages you visit, the more engaged you are on our website, the more likely you are to make a purchase. Of course, we want to keep the bounce rate as low as possible. The bounce rate refers to the number of people who leave almost immediately after clicking on the web page. And then, of course, we're interested in traffic sources, whether people went to us directly, that is, they typed in Amazon.com, or did they search us by first starting in Google or Bing or some other search engine. Were they referred to us through social media? For instance, did they come to our product category by Facebook or something like that? Or were they referred to us by some third-party website? Now, you'll notice that that these traffic sources vary by company, but that in general, social media is in general not a very significant traffic source for e-commerce. One of the things your book talks about is the idea of cross-channel marketing. That is, people who shop online but then buy offline, or people who shop offline and then buy online. This idea of the cross-channel consumer, where you tie together the store experience and the online experience. Showrooming, you shop in a store but you buy online. That is, you go to the store, try the product, see how you like it. Maybe you go to Best Buy and look at this laptop, and then you go up online and buy the laptop online because it's cheaper. Another approach is you shop online for a product and then you actually buy it at the store. So you browse the websites and then decide what you're going to buy, and then you go to the store and actually buy it in store. This is a chart that sort of shows this idea of cross channeling, shopping in one spot and buying in another. The future, the book talks about the future being multi-channel marketing, and this concept then of transactional websites. But my argument is that, by the way, a transactional website would be someone like eBay or Amazon selling your product along with you selling it on your own website. You just as soon people bought it on your website. A good example of this are hotel casinos in town who would rather that you booked the room directly through them rather than booking the room through Travelocity or Kayak or Trivago or someone like that, because they have to pay a commission to all those other companies if you book through them. But the future is really something called omni-channel marketing. And omni-channel marketing is where the online and both the bricks and clicks experiences are seamless, so that you can buy online, pick up at the store, go to the store, buy it online, and so that in reality all the channels are simply one integrated channel rather than multi-channels, each serving a different function. That's the future of marketing. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun. Good luck on the test.